Hi, Ry Landry from Yamaha Marine. To get the most out of your new motor and ensure its longevity, your motor does need to be broken in. This is a simple 10-hour process, and I'm going to walk you through it here in just a second. Now for the first part of our break-in procedure, we're going to actually idle out of our no-wake zone until we're out in the lake, and then we're going to run the motor no more than 2,000 RPM or half throttle. Now remember, you don't have to do this in one straight shot. You can stop and fish a little bit along the way. Once you finish the first hour of break-in, we're going to move it up a little bit for the second hour. You're going to actually now use just enough throttle to get the boat up onto plane, but then you're going to back it off just to keep it there. Avoid full throttle operation if possible. Once you finish the first 2 hours of break-in, for the next 8, go ahead and use the boat as you would like. Just don't use full throttle for more than 5 minutes at a time. Once you finish the procedure, go ahead and use your boat normally. But remember, you're already halfway to your first service of 20 hours. Go ahead and stop by your local Yamaha dealership and set up a service appointment, or pick up the Yamaha supplies that you're going to need. Now, if you have any questions during your break-in procedure, don't hesitate to contact your local Yamaha dealer. They'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and happy boating.